Hi there. I made a video today. It's a homemade peach cobbler from the peaches grown in our backyard by my husband in his garden. And they certainly aren't the prettiest peaches, but when you cut away the bad parts, you end up with some really good fruit. So I'll let you watch this video, and it's a homemade peach cobbler. He also made biscuit um, on top, which is, you'll see in the end how he did that. But you can use any biscuit recipe you like. So thanks for stopping by.
There you go, it's all on. So, yeah,